Hello everyone, welcome back again. So, today I will discuss about the topic of National Educational Policy 2020. Okay, it's an important topic due to the point of view of examination. Okay, so first of all, started with the topic of National Educational Policy. What is National Educational Policy? The policy provides reforms, first of all. What about reforms? About all the levels of education. Okay, what is National Educational Policy? A policy which provides a reforms to all levels of education from school to higher education. Okay, so it's a National Education Policy. And what is its aim? The main aim of National Educational Policy is to increase the focus on which? On strengthening teacher training, okay, reforming the existing exam system, early childhood care, and reconstructing the regulatory framework of education. It means that the aim of NEP is to increase the focus on strengthening number 1 teacher training, number 2 reforming the existing exam system, number 3 early childhood care, and number 4 reconstructing the regulatory framework of education. Okay, so now the features of National Education Policy. What are the features of National Educational Policy? The main feature of National Educational Policy is to establish national mission on foundational literacy and numericy, emphasis on promoting multilingualism and Indian language. It means that to establish the national mission on which foundational literacy and main emphasis it's on multilingualism. It means that many languages have to be promoted. Okay, so the medium of instruction until at least grade 5, but preferably till grade 8, beyond will be the home language, mother tongue, local language or regional language. It means that home language, mother tongue, local language, regional language is to be applied. Okay, so National Educational Policy 2020. Features of National Education Policy 2020. Number 1. Ensuring universal access at all levels of schooling from pre-primary school to grade 12. It means that it focuses on the level of schooling from pre-primary school to grade 12. Okay. Number 2. Ensuring quality early childhood care. It focuses on the quality early childhood care and also focus on the education for all children between 3 to 6 years. It means that it focused on the early childhood care and also the focused on the education for all children between 3 to 6 years. Okay. Number 3. New curriculum and pedagogical structure is to be construct. Okay. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. Now, 4 stages of NEP 2020. Number 1. What are the 4 stages of NEP 2020? Number 1. Children will spend 5 years in foundation stage. Children will spend 5 years in foundation stage. Number 2. 3 years in preparatory stage. Number 3. 3 years in the middle stage. Number 4. 4 years in the secondary stage. Okay. So, children will spend 5 years in foundational stage, 3 years in preparatory stage, 3 years in middle stage, 4 years in secondary stage. According to new school education system outlined in NEP 2020. Okay, so But before starting the motto of National Educational Policy, I want to share that if you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and also like my video and share my video also. Motto of National Educational Policy. What is the motto of National Education Policy? The main motto of NEP 2020 is equitable and inclusive education. Equitable and inclusive education. What does this mean? Equitable and inclusive education. It means that no child should be denied access to quality education because of their socio-cultural background. It means that all children has to be right to a quality of education, no barrier of socio-cultural background. Okay, like that. Now the other question is, who launched NEP 2020? Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan and Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami on Sunday launched the National Policy 2020 in higher education in Uttarakhand for the academic session 2022-23. Okay, now 5 pillars of NEP. What are the 5 pillars of NEP? Number 1, access. Number 2, affordability. Number 3, equity. Number 4, quality. Number 5, accountability. These are the 5 pillars of NEP. I repeat it: access, affordability, equity, equality, and accountability. And this policy is aligned to the 2030 agenda for sustainable development and aims to transform India into vibrant knowledge superpower by making with school and college education more holistic. It means that it aligned to 2030, and it is this policy is to be attained sustainable development, and its main aim is to give India a vibrant knowledge and to become India a superpower by making school and college education more holistic. Okay, like that. Now, objectives of National Education Policy. What are the objectives of National Education Policy? The main aim is to become a new direction, new globalization, and provide new direction to Indian market, and also give focus on the education of the children to all classes like pre-primary to 12th class. Nobody and no child should be abandoned from the education. It's the main aim of National Education Policy. Chairman of NEP 2020. It was done under the chairmanship of former chairman of ISRO and ex-member of Parliament K. Kasturi Rangan. What is the concept of ABC in NEP 2020? The main aim of what is the ABC? Academic Bank of Credit Purpose. What is the full form of ABC? Academic Bank of Credit Purpose. The government and institutions are offering both online and distant learning courses. It means that government and institutes are give many type of studies like online and distant learning courses, and student can redeem their acquired academic credit which have a maximum 7 years validity period. Student have to redeem this academic credit by giving the maximum validity period like 7 years. Okay, now why NEP is introduced? NEP of India 2020, which was started by the Union Cabinet on 29 July 2020, outlined the vision of new educational policy of India. It means that NEP 2020 was started by the Union Cabinet, and when 29 July 2020 to give the vision of new educational policy of India. The new policy replace the previous national policy on education 1986. 3H of education. What are the 3H of education? Three qualities of science education: hands on, heads on, and hearts on, refer to education and development of whole child. Okay. Now, is NEP started in India? So, the first NPE was promulgated by the Government of India by PM Indira Gandhi in 1968. It means that first national educational policy was started in India by PM Indira Gandhi in 1968. Okay, the second national education policy was started by PM Rajiv Gandhi in India in 1986. Now, the third national education policy was started by PM Narendra Modi in 2020. Okay, now what is foundation stage? What is foundation stage? The NEP is reconfiguring our system of schooling. It has created a 4-stage 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 curriculum and pedagogical structure. Okay, number 1. 5 refer to first 5 year of education from age 3 to 8 called foundation stage. 5 refer to the first 5 year of education. First 5 year of education is called 5 from age 3 to 8. Number 2, 8 to 11 preparatory stage. 8 to 11 year preparatory stage. Number 3, 11 to 14 middle stage. Number 4, 14 to 18 years secondary stage. Okay, 5 year means 5 refer to means first 5 year of education, and 3 to 8 years called foundation stage. Number 2, 8 to 11 year means preparatory stage. Number 3, 11 to 14 means middle stage, and number 4, 14 to 18 means secondary stage. Now, it aims to the holistic development of a child, all over development of a child, like social, emotional, social, cognitive, physical needs, in order to build a solid foundation for lifelong learning and well-being. It means that it is the main aim of NEP is to give the social, emotional, cognitive, physical and cognitive development to the all over development of the child for lifelong learning, foundation for lifelong learning and well-being. So it's all about the national education policy 2020, and please subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video also. Thanks.